How to fix your Fidelity account locked for security reasons. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is simply get to your fidelity.com, and then in here, what are we going to do is simply tap on the option forgot username or profile right here. And after doing that here, what are we going to do is go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover our ID or our password of our account, right? So simply add in all of your verification details and then tap on continue. In order to do that, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to fix that issue like this. But if it's still not fixing it, then what I recommend you guys do is complete any requested identity verification links sent directly by Fidelity agent over your phone. So like, make sure that you have completed all of the verification process. But even after doing all of these and you're pretty sure you have completed all of it and it's still not working, then lastly, what I recommend you guys do is simply call their customer service. So you can actually get their number online very easily. Simply search for it, and then you'll be able to go manually with the process of how you'll be able to fix your Fidelity account locked for security reasons. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.